Okay, today is something a bit different. We have here a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer, turbocharged by us. Way before, back in 2010. It's already 2021. So this car has passed through, I think, 3 different owners over the last 10 years. And then it's back again for tuning. And according to the guy who bought it, latest owner actually, is that he bought it to another tuner. Wala lang daw kasi nirecommend ng barkada. The tuner removed our Unichip and injector driver setup, tuned it, never ran right, never contacted him again, turned off his phone. So basically the owner cannot get in touch with this tuner from the south. So he just wasted 15,000. Car never ran right after that one. Doesn't want to rev past 2,000 RPM apparently. And I told him just to bring the car here so I can take a look exactly what happened. And true enough, the Unichip was removed. So that tells me this guy tried to reflash a turbo engine using the stock injectors. And obviously, that is not going to work. The stock injectors will not be able to provide enough fuel for a turbocharged engine. If this is the kind of work that he does, then obviously no good. And so after like X number of months trying to contact the guy, no choice, you just bring it here. And now we put the Unichip back, and we're gonna put it on the dyno again to see if it still makes the same amount of power, because we have the complete history of this car. Owner's here, we'll talk to him in a while. The piece is still working and he didn't fuck it up. So, sige, we'll wire this back in and then we'll tune again on the dyno. Wala siyang tinanong before na kung, obviously nakita naman niya, di ba? Hindi niya tinanong kung stock to o hindi. Pero nung binibira niya, rumarat-rat. Then immediately after you tuned it and then you got it, rumarat-rat. Bakit humina?
Ayun na yung problema niya eh. Yung sa second gear, basta hindi siya nagtutuloy. Talagang
Pero sa third gear tumutuloy?
Hindi rin eh. Kahit sa first gear minsan.
Kala ko rumarat-rat. Didn't you drive it afterwards?
Nung after, okay. Tapos nung ilang araw, biglang gumano. Hindi na ako pinapansin. Sabi ko balikan na.
Start mo nga, I wanna hear it. Garep mo nga. Dito mo ito, ibig sabihin. Okay. Sige, saba. Okay, patay. Okay, at least may boost. Sigurado yun, may boost.
Ano ba to? Sa iyo ba to? Nabili mo na kay ano? Ano pangalan noon?
Yung, basta yun.
Bulacan ba yun?
Oo, Bulacan, oo.
Kaya boost ko.
Kasi huling nakita namin to, 175 horse, 180 horse.
Yeah, parang 200.
200 ba to?
Parang 200 plus to eh.
Oo, kasi manual.
Buti hindi na...
Buti hindi nga nadurog eh.
Hindi nadurog yung...
Kasi wala eh. Obviously binunot to, hindi gumagana yung 5th injector. Kasi hindi tumutuloy, so hindi kulang sa gasolina.
Buti nga hindi nadurog yung makina.
Kaya nga eh. Okay. So, leave it. We have the data naman on this one, what it made stock, what's the boost level, what's the air fuel. So, we'll try to match it on what's on record. Subok. Sige, iwan mo na.
Balikan na lang muna namin.
Ano ba yun? Wednesday. Give us a few days with it. Hopefully by Saturday it should be okay. Because we have no idea what else is wrong with it or what else needs to get fixed. Because mga 2 taon na namin din nakita ito eh. Sige. Okay. See you in about 2 to 3 days.
Thank you po.
Sige. Anyway, we already know this car. We'll put back the Unichip and we'll tune it again. And I think primarily why he was complaining the way he did after the tunings, because first and foremost, when you have a turbocharged car, you need more fuel for the additional air that the turbo provides. And that's the job of this one here, which he unplugged. This is a 1000cc 5th injector setup. This provides the fuel that corresponds when the car makes boost at around 2000 to 25 RPM. What these two do is, well, obviously, we have the two Unichips here. This is the Unichip Q4, this is the injector driver. This controls ignition timing, this controls also the injectors, and this one actually makes the injector open longer. So we can open the injector 100% all the time or close the injector 50% of the time. So aside from the fifth injector here, we're also able to control overdrive the stock injectors, but to a certain extent. So I think what this idiot did was sinagad niya yung injector lahat dito. He made it open probably at 95%, 99% duty cycle. And you don't do that on a turbocharged car. You cannot tune a turbocharged Lancer using the stock injectors. It's simply physically, chemically impossible. Well, guess lesson learned for this guy. Then he's down 15,000 bucks. Doesn't return his call, doesn't answer Facebook messages. What are you gonna do? You come to us. And 15,000 in tuition fee later, we'll try to fix it. Alright, finally we're done with the Lancer, and then yes, after pretty much 1 week, and so these are our dyno results for this Lancer. This thin red line here is what we have on file before. Our last known reading was around 210. So when he brought it in, we said, okay, we'll try to figure it out. We'll tune it. So our tune now is at 240, but here, see, it suddenly drops off at 5.8. It's very sharply. Then after getting the file, it's this light blue line. It revs all the way now to 6,000. Well, it's 6.5. We just ran out of ink. We just ran out of paper here, but it's 6.5 RPM and it's 260 horses right now for a normal non-Evo Lancer.